Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to mod Fallout New Vegas. First, ensure your game is updated and you have a clean installation. Next, we'll cover the fundamental tools you'll need, such as a robust mod manager, to keep everything organized. We'll also discuss where to find safe and effective mods to enhance your gameplay experience. This foundational knowledge is crucial for a stable and enjoyable modded game. To begin, you'll need a reliable mod manager, like Mod Organizer 2, to handle your installations and load order. This prevents conflicts and simplifies management. A script extender is also vital, as many advanced mods rely on it to function correctly. Finally, always start with a fresh, unmodded game installation to avoid any pre-existing issues that could complicate your modding journey. When searching for mods, always use well-known sites like Nexus mods to ensure safety and quality. Read each mod's description and installation instructions thoroughly. They often contain critical steps. Start by installing essential stability and performance mods to create a solid base. Then, gradually add content mods, testing your game frequently to catch any issues early on. Troubleshooting is a key part of modding. Use your mod manager's load order features to resolve conflicts, adjusting priorities as needed. Regularly back up your game saves and mod profiles. This is your safety net if something goes wrong. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Consistent maintenance ensures your modded game remains stable and fun for many hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.